Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Rajiv Kishore, and I am a professor in the UNLV Lee Business School in the Management, Entrepreneurship, and Technology Department. Um, I will give a little more background about me towards the end of this video, but first, I want to talk to you about the Excel Refresher Executive Education course that I have designed as part of our ExecEd program and which is available as an online course to working professionals and executives in the industry. Um, as we know, Excel is a foundational tool in almost all kinds of professional work. Even though we may have learned this tool and some of its advanced functionality while in college, many of us forget that functionality and use Excel in primitive ways. We use some of the basic functionality and some of the more advanced work we have to do, we just sort of use that basic functionality and therefore the work is sort of inefficient, our productivity is low. So we are not able to harness the powerful and rich capabilities of this tool, Microsoft Excel, and use it inefficiently to complete work that can be done much more easily and faster if we use some of the advanced functionality and features of Microsoft Excel. So this course I designed as a refresher course on the advanced features and functionality of Microsoft Excel that definitely have the potential to enhance your productivity and output quality, especially if your work involves Excel, using Excel for data analysis purposes. So the course will cover the following topic areas. Number one, table and ranges. Number two, data integrity, subtotals, and validations. Number three, advanced functions. Number four, dynamic arrays. Number five, using names and formula auditing tools. Number six, what if analysis and security. And here we'll do a bunch of what if analyses, including data tables, scenario manager, goal seek, and solver, as well as various security features. Number seven, pivot tables. As you know, it is very, very important topic. Number eight, create, get, and transform queries. So basically, we are talking about loading data into Excel from external data sources. And number nine, Power Pivot, data modeling, OLAP, and business intelligence. So again, these are very powerful features of Excel where we are using external data sources, creating some data models and using Excel to analyze data in that powerful way. Uh, this course will have 18 videos, of which 9 are lecture videos in which I will provide an overview of the advanced features and functionality of Excel in the 9 topic areas listed above that I just talked about. In the other 9 videos, I will actually complete a demo Excel project pertaining to each of the 9 areas, right? And so this course, the way I have designed it, can be completed in a total of 10 to 12 hours, which will include watching all the 18 videos, completing the 9 demo projects that I cover in my videos, and completing the 2 assigned Excel homework projects. So I'll give you 2 Excel projects that are outside the demo videos I do, and you can complete those as well within a total span of 10 to 12 hours. So let's talk about why you should take this online course and not another one that might be available on the web. And there are quite a few available on the web. So there are 5 concrete reasons why you should take this particular online Excel refresher course and not another one that may be available on the web. Number one, comprehensive coverage of advanced Excel features. So in this one single course, I will cover all the advanced features and functionality of Microsoft Excel, right? There are many videos available on YouTube that will show you in great detail one particular feature of Excel. For example, um, text to columns or data validation, right? Similarly, there are many courses available on LinkedIn Learning Platform and many other online learning platforms like Coursera, EduX, Khan Academy, and so on. Uh, but again, they teach either basic Excel skills or focus on specific Excel features. For example, on LinkedIn Learning, I just saw this course, Excel Formulas and Functions Quick Tips. It's one particular feature of Excel, and that itself might be about an hour long video. So, my course, on the other hand, provides comprehensive coverage of the advanced features of Excel that are necessary for data analysis purposes, and I do so in a single course that progresses coherently and seamlessly. So you don't have to search for hundreds of specific topic focused classes on the internet to build a comprehensive Excel refresher class for yourself. Number two, a reasonable 10 to 12 hours of learning. I understand there are participants in this class are working professionals and executives, and so I designed this course quite mindfully to be completed in a reasonable 10 to 12 hours of learning. I provide an overview of all the advanced features and functionality of Excel, organized in 9 topic areas that are all focused on data analysis. I also demonstrate the hands-on use of some of the common and helpful advanced features of Excel for data analysis purposes. I do not cover every single feature and formula in this class. I focus on the commonly used and important features and functions. The reason is that I want the participants to complete this class in a reasonable 10 to 12 hours of time. Armed with this knowledge from this course, if you wish to learn more in depth on one or more specific advanced features, you can always engage. So there'll be a textbook we will provide. You can engage more with the textbook, do some more assignments there, as well as other Excel courses that are available on the web on specific topic areas. Number three, there will be 2 hands-on Excel projects focused on the EHG industry. So most of the participants in this course are likely to live and work in the Las Vegas metro area. So accordingly, the 2 hands-on homework projects that I will give out, you will be completing them as part of your homework. They will be focused on the entertainment, hospitality, and gaming industry, which is, as all of us know, is the dominant industry in Las Vegas. Number 4, there will be a 2-hour live session to answer your questions. So I will provide this online web live session with the participants of the course about 6 to 8 weeks after the course is launched. So you have enough time to complete the videos at your pace, do the projects, and then we will meet in this web live session. You can come to this session with any doubts or questions and discuss with me in a live session. This is a feature that's not typically available in an online course you will find on LinkedIn or Coursera, etc. Right? And finally, number 5, we are always here for you. So as you know, we are always here for our students, and you can always reach me with without any difficulty via phone or a Zoom call, even after the live session is completed, if you have some lingering doubts and questions. Again, you are not likely to find this kind of service in a typical online course. Okay, having told you why you should take this class, let me talk a little more about myself. So, as I mentioned, I am a professor in the Management, Entrepreneurship, and Technology department in the Lee Business School at UNLV. I received a BE degree, Bachelor of Engineering in Industrial Engineering, and a graduate certificate in Aeronautical Engineering. I then received master's and PhD degrees in Computer Information Systems. And so I uh, am fundamentally a data person, right? Uh, I have worked in the industry and academia for 42 years. And as I mentioned, I cut my teeth on big data. So I started my career in the aeronautics industry. I did heavy duty production planning and control for about 100,000 aircraft parts, for production of those many aircraft parts. And so it was all big data analytics right from the start of my career. And I finished my PhD and then switched to academia. Uh, Before I came to academia, I worked in the consulting industry towards the end of my, last gig in consulting was strategic management consulting. And in academia, I have garnered a scholarly reputation with very high H index, a high number of citations, and 75 plus million media mentions. I currently teach and research in the areas of business analytics, uh, healthcare analytics, and social media network analytics. So, analytics is what I do. And so, I would love having you in this class and looking forward uh, to engaging with you. So, if you enroll in this class, you will be working with the videos I provide, and then I look forward to interacting with you in the live session. Thank you.